Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your weapons on the Ramboat 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ramboat 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. Now in order to upgrade your weapons, you will need to go into Armory and then select Weapon. Now within this page, you will need various different blueprints in order to upgrade your existing weapon. When you have all of the blueprints that are available, you can just tap on the upgrade option. To earn these blueprints, you will simply need to play the campaign mode and clear the various different levels. Every time you clear a level, if you see a weapon indicator icon within this level, then you will get various different blueprints as displayed before you start playing this level. So go ahead and play the level and try to complete all of the requirements that is displayed on the top section. When you complete the task that is displayed at the top section along with completing the main level, this will increase your chance of getting more blueprints and also unlocking newer weapons. You also have the option to watch an advertisement in order to double the rewards that you made. You can also tap on this option and then continue forward to collect your rewards. Now within your rewards, you will find various different blueprints which you can use within your armory to start upgrading right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to upgrade your weapons on the Ramboat 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.